Now I bought this kit from Amazon. So this is the kit here. So they have different kind of grit. I bought the mixed one. You guys can see it has 80, 180, 320, and it goes up to 3000. So they all have mixed grit here. It goes up higher, and then the max one will be at 3000. So now the first grit I'm gonna go is the 80 here. I'm gonna slap it into the gun. There you go. Next, I'm gonna move to the 180 grit.
I'm gonna try to do this my best. You guys can see how sharp the grit tip is. Kind of hit my hand.
My next one, 320. My next one here, 5/600. Now let me show you close up on the headlight. So at first, when you start it with the low grit, it's going to be very rough. As you go higher grit, it's going to get a lot smoother. It's going to look foggy right now, but after you're done with the 2500 to 3000, it should be very smooth. And then after that, when you polish it, it should be shiny. So right now it's a lot smoother. Feels very nice. And my last one here, 3000 grit. So this is the final step. That was the 3000 grit. So right now you can see it's a little bit scratchy. It's on some parts. I try my best because the light keep on wobbling, and doing this with one hand is kind of hard. So right now it's very smooth. I don't feel any more debris or any kind of gunk that's on the headland. The last step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wipe it down. I'm gonna polish it over again, so all this scratch is gonna go away once I polish it, and then wipe it down, and then I'm gonna clear coat it 2 times. The compound I'm gonna be polishing is the 3D compound right here, cutting compound and polish. Use my compound, the polishing pad right here. Now before you use it, make sure you guys shake it up good. Still a little bit of scratch mark. I think I went a little bit too heavy-handed on the first grit, the 80. I might have to redo this, but if I'm gonna redo it, it's gonna be quick. So I'm gonna try my next polish. One I'm gonna try is the speed polish, protect, and high gloss finish. Before you use it, shake it up. Show you guys a second time polishing it. It's a little bit more clear, a little bit more shinier. I wasn't happy with the result with the first time doing it. It wasn't even with the headlight keep wobbling and not holding it two hands. So I went back and redo it. Took me like another 10 minutes. So I just redo the whole thing again one more time. This time more carefully and more thoroughly, like holding it down firm, and I had the bottles back here holding the headlight so it's more firm so it doesn't wobble. And I sand it with both hands. Then I compound it with the first one, the 3D cutting compound. And then next I'm gonna do it with the speed. This one's gonna be high gloss. So I'm gonna hit it again and I'm gonna show you guys the after result. So after I did it, sanding it 2 times again, I wasn't happy with it. So it looks a lot more even now. So I'm gonna buff it out the second time. So this is the second time polishing it. You guys can see it's a lot better. Now, if you wonder if those little dots, I believe that's under the lens. So I'm really happy with it. You guys can see. Let me show you on the in the sun. So I have not clear coated yet. So it's a lot better than before. Again, I only pay $150 for this set of headlight, and then $200 for the other one. Can't be more happier than that. I'm gonna clear coat it with the McGuire here, headlight coating. There you go. That's the first coat. I'm gonna leave it for 15 minutes, let it dry. Now it's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna hit it again with the second coat. Now I moved to a tighter spot so there's less wind. There you go. Gonna let it sit, let it dry. There's a little bug in there. Now let me show you guys, this is the before, this is the after. It's a lot better. So I let this sit for another 15 minutes. It's not completely dry yet, but I know it's a lot smoother than before. The first time I sanded with the gun wasn't properly holding it down, and the light was wobbly. So it was like some scratch mark left. So I had to redo it. It took me like another 10 minutes, but I was happy with it the second time. Everything looks good. Now that was the before, and this is the after. It's a lot better. Kind of bugged me, that little bug that's inside the headlight. But I'm gonna save this one. I'm gonna do a second video on this one by hand, sanding it by hand, and this one is by gun. Now the next video I'm gonna show you guys which one is better, with the gun or by hand is better. Now for this side of the headlight, I'm gonna do it with hand. See if it turns out really good with hand too. So basically I'm doing the same thing. I'm gonna start off with 180 and start it, and then go down the line, and then I'm gonna stop at 3000, make it very smooth. Right now the headlight has a lot of line marks, scratch mark, and like little cracks mark. I'm not sure if it's on top of the lens or under the lens, but it was dirty. But I'm gonna try my best to restore it. And you can see around here on the edges, I can feel the cuts, all the scratch mark. Now I'm just gonna start sanding it down with hand, sideways, and then up and down. There you go, go down. I sand past the 400 grit already. I'm up to the 5-600. So just showing you guys, it's a lot better. These little cracks are here. I don't think I can save it, but it's definitely a lot smoother, and the little scratch over here, you guys can still see it, but it's smoother. It's getting smoothed out. It's a lot better. So I'm just gonna keep sending it down all the way down to 3,000, going sideways and then up and down. You guys, I'm down to my last one, the 3,000. Feels very smooth. Yep, very smooth. And the scratches here, the deep cut here, it was very deep. Now I can feel like it's very smooth, but I mean, it's not the best, but it's very smooth, way better than before. So I'm just gonna sand it down one last time with the 3,000 grit, then I'm gonna polish it. All right, I'm gonna use the 3D, same thing, the cutting compound polish. And then I'm gonna do this one time, and then after that I'm gonna do it with the speed, with the better finish, the high gloss finish. Now, final result right here. This is with the drill, with the machine. This one is by hand. Now this side has a lot deeper cut, and this side is not that much of a deeper cut, but turns out a lot better. This is still way better than before. Got this set for 150, not bad. A lot better than before. It was crazy faded and turning yellow. Now this set I got for 200 bucks. Now I did them both by hand. The only thing I don't like about this one is the dirty stuff is under the lens, so you have to get inside of it to clean it. But I'm gonna end up selling these. And the thing is, this one, you guys can see it has a lot of like dirty stuff inside the lens. I don't really like that. It's kind of bugging me. And this one too. This one is really clean and smooth too, but the dirty stuff, you guys can see like the little grass thingy and all that. I just don't like it when it's inside the lens. But not bad. 200 bucks, 150 bucks for OEM. But that is it to this video, guys. So if you guys are new to my channel, please help me subscribe. You guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Do my mouth. Peace.